Alrighty, everyone, let's get started. I will introduce myself. My name is Christy Fisher. I am part of the business development and sales team here at RMDS Lab, and I am so excited to be your host for today's webinar, leveraging grmds.org to advance your data science career. Before we begin, let me give a background on our CEO and the man behind our platform. Dr. Alex Liu is one of the world's top experts for big data analytics and machine learning as applied to business and social research, especially to produce positive social impacts. He is well regarded as a thought leader and distinguished data scientist, certified by IBM and the Open Group. He is a pioneer and lead developer of data science ecosystem approaches, as well as the RM4Es with AI. Dr. Liu has been working on data science research and practice for over 20 years and is one of the very few known experts who has applied data science to a wide range of fields, including aging, communities, customer retention, democracy, entrepreneurship, healthcare, international relations, marketing, education, risk, spiritual capital, and philosophy. Dr. Liu pioneered the RMDS community nearly 10 years ago via the Association Global Research and Methods Lab. It began as a community for innovative researchers and data scientists to discuss and collaborate through meetings and its online forum, which has now grown to over 40,000 participants. RMDS Lab was later formally established as a data science ecosystem provider to support the community through continued events and discussion, hands-on and web-based training, and a web platform for collaboration, research resources such as RMDS proprietary, RM4Es, and research maps. All right, now before we introduce Suha, make sure you leave your questions in the chat box. All right, Suha, take it away, and everyone enjoy the event.
Thank you, Christy, for hosting and for that introduction. Hello, I'm Suha. I'm a UI UX designer at RMDS. I've been with RMDS for almost 2 years now. And what I love about working at RMDS is that we're constantly growing, and every day we're talking about the new products and features that we want to develop and offer to our members. So I'm always keeping myself busy here. Today, I want to talk about how you can benefit from using our platform. And I will also demonstrate how you can make yourself stand out in the data science community and succeed in your career. So let me share my screen. So at RMDS, we want to help empower the data science professionals and create a community full of resources and connections. So our members have access to tools and resources that enhance their research. So in project portal, inside the project portal, you can upload your data sets and projects, your workflow, share it with your peers and within our GRMDS members. And you can get comments and ratings from other data science professionals. And this is the profile that I have right now after I created my account. Yeah, so we use AI-powered recommendations to connect members to online learnings, data sets, workflows, and collaborative environments to work with peers. That's why we really recommend you to complete your profile so we give you that better, accurate recommendations that matches your interest and need. We also offer hands-on training, such as deep dive program, and consultation services to other companies and monthly webinars like the one that you're joining right now. And I know that people are getting excited about our annual conference called I Am Data, which is like the biggest event that we have every year. So I'm assuming that everyone here already created an account with us because it's really important that you sign up on our platform first. As you guys already know, creating an account shouldn't be that hard. All we ask is for your name, email, and the password. And we do ask for your personal information, which are company organizations and the job title. And again, the reason why we ask is we want to give you the better, accurate recommendations to your profile. We want to make your profile look customized as possible. That's why we ask you that information. just knowing your name will really help us to give you that recommendation. Yeah, so I also want to point out that your profile will look different depending on the access role you have. For example, I am a premium member, so I pretty much have access to everything that RMDS offered, but with some limitations. We do have two different membership. Another membership is called Elite Member. So the Elite members, the only difference is that again they have access to everything, but it's unlimited access, so there's no limitation. Elite members have they get better discounts and they can take all the online courses for free, which is amazing. But as a premium member, you can take online courses up to three. And then after that, you will have to pay for each online courses that you want to take. But another perks that you get is that whether you're premium or elite, you do get a free ticket to our IM Data conference. And and also you do get 50% discount on deep dive trainings if you're premium, and it will be completely free for elite members. Okay, so most people think that you're done after if you just create an account. Like, is that it? No, because I really want to ask everyone here to make sure that your profile is completed and appealing. You can share information about yourself with other RMDS users by setting a profile picture and adding a bio. Creating a top-notch profile should be your first priority. Your profile is automatically set as a public, which means that if people are searching for your name in Google, this profile, this link will show up in that search engine. So you want to make sure your profile doesn't look bad, right? This is like you're setting yourself into that data science world, so you want to make it polished and professional as much as you can. And one thing that can help you to make your profile stand out is displaying badges on your profile, like the one that I have here. I completed my deep dive training. That's why I have that badge, and I am premium member, so I also have the badge as well. So if you participate in certain programs like deep dive programs, or if you attended I am data conference, or if you participated in one of our data science competition, you will get a badge for that. Um, we will automatically display badge on your profile, so you don't need to worry about like applying for it, all the complicated process. In this way, you can showcase your learnings and achievements with broader audience. And one thing that we also have is we enable you to network with people and professional organizations in your industry by using RMDS Exchange. Um, it is a way to collaborate and communicate using our new chat feature. Um, and this is like a great way to get help or give helps on projects or work. So I will quickly demonstrate. So for example, let's say that I want to ask help to Vincent because it seems like he has a really good impact score and he stands out to me. So let's say that I go to his profile, and then you know this is also why you want to have appealing profile. Like if I can see that Vincent is a data scientist and he has his social media accounts linked in there, and then I can see that he's very active. So um, what I can do is, even though I don't have a personal connection, I can still ask for service. So if I click that ask for service, I can choose the service from these following options. Just for the purpose of demonstration, I will say that I want to ask for project advice to Vincent. And when you're exchanging the services, you have to offer or give points. So for me, I'm asking Vincent for help. So I want to say that I want to offer 10 points. This is really depends on what kind of project. If you think if you're asking like just like quickly advice, then the points can be little as, I don't know, 10. But if you're asking more complicated, complex advices, maybe then you want to offer bigger points for that. And you can also add a message here, and I could say something like, "Hi Vincent, I saw your profile and I wanted to ask if you can give me some advices on this project." And then I can also include the file that I'm referring, and then this message will be sent to Vincent. And as soon as I send that message, it will automatically create a chat message, and you will be able to communicate with Vincent in your messenger. So yeah, and also what you can do is you can offer your advice to other people. Maybe you can be like, I noticed that you uploaded this project, but I have a better advice. So if I give you advice, maybe you can offer me like 20 points. You can also offer the points to other people as well and gain points. And if you want to learn more about our RMDS Exchange, we have a link right here. And in here, it talks about what's the benefits, like what's the point of getting all the points, and it explains all that. So I recommend that you check out this web page as well. Yeah, and then now I wanted to let our Vincent, he's actually here, our data scientist, our RMDS, to talk more about the other features that we have in RMDS.
Thank you, Suha, for introducing me. Hi, this is Vincent, data scientist in RMDS Lab, and next I'm going to introduce to you with some of the RMDS best services and products to offer. So here's my personal dashboard, and you could see the impact score right in the middle of here. Impact score is one of the RMDS most advanced services, and it could help in measuring your contribution to the field of data science community. With a higher impact score, you will stand out from your colleagues and get more attention and chances for your career. That's why we have an impact score leaderboard here. We could see different users with very high impact scores here, and every user in the platform will see this dashboard. Then how do we improve our impact score? First, you could complete your personal information, including your job title and company, so others could know better who you are. Secondly, you could go to our project portal to upload a project, or you could rate or comment on other projects. So for example, for this project, when you click on it, you will have a chance to give a rating or just leave a comment. Lastly, engage in our different activities. Simply move on the events here and check our latest events, like our quarterly competition that was just finished a while ago in 2021 data science competitions. And we also have webinars and IAM Data Conference that are available for all of our users to attend. On the right side of our dashboard, you could see our recommendation block here. You could see the projects recommended, the users recommended, and the data sets recommended to you. In the user recommendation block, you could find similar users to you, like from your own organization or having a similar job title to you, or some active users that you might want to follow and build connection. If you want to follow on this specific user, say Sarada, or just click on it, then you're following on this user. If we want to see more users or other products recommended, just click on refresh. So you can see different users or products recommended to you. At the bottom of our page, you could see some of our data science courses. You could take courses to stay up to date on trends in data science and AI. and receive certifications to stand out on your resume. And then Erica will continue to talk about more stuff in RMDS.
Thank you, Vincent. Suha, do you want to share the screen?
There you go.
Thank you. So hi, I'm Erica, and I'm the training coordinator here at RMDS Lab, and I'm happy to introduce you to our expert portal. So our expert portal allows our experts to gain exposure to RMDS Lab's community of over 40,000 members, have the opportunity to network and collaborate with fellow experts, and also take advantage of publishing opportunities with Taylor and Francis Group. We also have several paid opportunities, which include serving as a consultant. So here, our experts will work with young data scientists and review their resumes and projects. They also help with developing and conducting deep dive courses, assisting with online course development, and helping to create certification programs. Other opportunities include serving as judges in our quarterly data science competitions and speaking at our webinars and conferences. So if you're interested in becoming an expert at RMDS Lab, apply for free at grmds.org/experts, and we'll promptly review your details. Christy, back to you.
Thank you, Erica. And thank you everyone for joining our webinar today. We were super excited to have you join and learn more about our platform and just more about RMDS in general. Again, thank you for your questions. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And if you're not already a member, we hope you sign up today, and we will see you soon. Thank you again.